comes to the finer things in life, I'm gonna find it on a discount. Listen, all I'm gonna say, when it comes to this one right here, they did that. Love Don't Be Shy, they did that. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's been a while since I made a video. I go by the name of Lady Q. My videos are based on all things girly. If I like it, I buy it, and if it's too expensive, I get someone else to get it. No, but seriously, I love all things girly. However, there's a caveat. I love all things girly, I love all things nice, I love all things expensive. However, I don't believe in spending those prices. I will try to find the look for less. So if that's your type of vibe, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video because you're gonna definitely love this one, because today we're talking all about perfumes. So today we will be talking about perfumes that are inspired by luxury designer perfumes. I know we all want those scents, those perfumes that smell like luxury, that are just giving, you know, that money scent, that scent that just attracts money. I get it, but you gotta pay a lot. You gotta pay a lot to get it. So the Clone did send me different fragrances, and stay tuned to the end to find out my favorite. We're actually a celebrity raved about this one, so you're gonna want to find out about it. So I'm not a girl that's really into like notes and all those things, like what's in the perfume. I'm more about, does it smell good or not? But for the sake of this video, finding out like what it is that you're into, I'm gonna go through the notes. It's gonna be a very, very detailed view of these perfumes. They are designer inspired. Get into the packaging. I got it in the Symphony number 83, and it's inspired by Louis Vuitton Symphony. Naked Cherry number 33, inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry, and Brave in Love number 37, inspired by Love Don't Be Shy. It is 100% made in the USA. How often do we find perfumes that are made in the US? You know, a lot of the time it's made in China. So this would be a good brand to support because it is made by us and for us. So this is the bottle. This is in the number 33. It is a glass bottle, so whenever you're done with it, you can recycle it if you're into like a very clean, the clean earth and all those things. They made that possible. So pretty. It's given luxury already just from the packaging. So this is the Naked Cherry. I think I actually have this. Let me go check. Okay, so here's the thing. I do have the Lost Cherry by Tom Ford, but you see how small this bottle is. I didn't even want to purchase the real one. The real one goes for $405. This one by the Clone, the Naked Cherry, $35. Let's see if it smells the same. So I'm gonna just put it on my wrist. So Lost Cherry, I'm gonna put that on the left. Actually never smelled this one, but it smells so good. It's like smoky. It is like this smoky feel. So let's compare the two. The notes in this one is black cherry, I took my notes, okay? So in this one, it's black cherry, bitter almond, Grille syrup, rose, Peru balsam, roasted tonku, or girl, I couldn't even pronounce all these things. So comparing it to Clone number 33 in the Naked Cherry, some similar notes are the black cherry, the cherry liquor, the bitter almonds, the Grille syrup, the Turkish rose, Peru balsam, the roasted tongs. Girl, I almost got everything. Almost every note that's in this one is in this one. And how much do you think this one is? Not in this size, but the Tom Ford Lost Cherry, this one can go as high as $450, whereas this one is only $35 on the site. $35. They smell similar. I put this on this one, so let's go ahead and do a smell test on my other side. That is very similar. And number 33 is said to be bold and seductive, smoky yet sweet. Tom Ford is definitely giving that. Actually, the description on their website says something very similar to the description of this one. I'm just saying. Now, let's move on to our second one, the Symphony. I actually don't have that one, so I can't even tell you exactly what it smells like, but I can tell you the notes. According to the Louis Vuitton website, top notes in the Symphony are grapefruit, ginger, and bergamot. In the Clone number 38, Lost in Symphony, the top notes are grapefruit, bergamot, and ginger, cardamom, geranium, rosemary, musk, abrioxin, and labdanum. It's described to be like a fresh scent with a little twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it here. Now, keep in mind, I don't actually know what the Symphony in the Louis Vuitton version smells like. So, wow. It's definitely giving fresh. I can smell like lemon. No, that's definitely the grapefruit. I would spray my couches with this one. This one smells so good. Definitely fresh scent. Like, I would clean my house, mop the floors, and then spray this. My house would smell so fresh. Okay, number 83. I love this. It's like fresh, but it's like boom. I like this one. Definitely giving grapefruit. Oh, and how could I forget to mention this one? I told you the Louis Vuitton Symphony goes for $595. This one, guess how much? $45. $45 compared to $595. Are you kidding me? This is not a joke. If you made it to this point, I'm about to tell you my very, very favorite perfume in the whole world. I've always loved it. Ever since Rihanna said this was her go-to, I've been on it. The Kilian Love Don't Be Shy is my favorite everyday perfume. I get complimented so much. It's empty. I have so many empties of this one. I always buy this all the time. So the one I'm about to show you is supposed to be the clone for this one. So if anybody's gonna know if it's actually a dupe, it would be me, because I have so many of these. So I don't even need to like spray myself, because like I said, I wear this all the time. So let's talk about the notes in here. I recently discovered that it has marshmallow, but we're gonna go through all of them. So the top notes are neroli, rose, marshmallow, honeysuckle, and cistus labdanum. This is the one inspired. This is the clone Brave and Love number 37, and the notes in this one are neroli, bergamot, pink pepper, coriander, orange blossom, jasmine, honeysuckle, rose, marshmallow, vanilla, musk, cinnamon. This is supposed to give like a sweet and seductive yet creamy kind of feel. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this. I'm gonna put it here. Oh yes, immediately yes. Oh my god. This almost smells identical to the Love Don't Be Shy. Now this one goes for $2.95, while this one goes for $40. I am not sure how they were able to clone this in a bottle, but they did that. So that is the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I also would like to thank Clone for sending me these perfumes. I am so impressed. If you're interested in purchasing any of these, I'm gonna leave my discount code in the description box below. Let me know which one you're interested in trying. Let me know if there is a signature scent that you have. I mean, why spend $500 when you can get it for $40? These are definitely worth it. I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. Go ahead and check them out. I have a discount code just in case you're interested. You want to save some extra coins on getting those luxury designer inspired perfumes. How would they know? How would they know?